The courtyards, tra I corti di Varese. Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going on a little journey into the heart of Varese to discover its historic courtyards. You might have walked past them a thousand times without really noticing, but behind those gates lie some truly fascinating stories. Our first stop is Case Perabò, one of the most charming corners of the city. It's located near Corso Matteotti, right in the city center. As soon as you step into the courtyard, it feels like slipping back in time. There are ancient columns and faded frescoes. These houses were once inhabited by the Perabò family, who played an important role in supporting the city's economic growth. Although they worked as butchers, they wanted to be seen as noble. This is symbolized by the family crest, which depicts a furious ox and a few pears, an image that's closely tied to the name Perabò. What remains of their homes includes a decorated terracotta windows on Via Albuzzi and a stone portal. Just a few steps away, we find the former Biscuit Factory, located in Via Sant'Antonino. Originally built within a 17th century courtyard, today it hosts private events such as presentation, workshops, exhibition, and meetings. The building has a long history. It dates back to the 13th century and was for some to religious holders, then to historic confectionery company Mera and Longhi, and finally to the Varese Biscuit Factory, from which it takes its name. In 2020, its doors reopened after being carefully restored by restorer Simonetta Pagani. Every detail was renovated with care to transform it into a place of creativity, culture, and connection. Today, it also houses hospitality services such as hotels and B&Bs. Another truly atmospheric courtyard is cloister of Sant'Antonino. It is part of the former convent, known also as Casa Verratti, located in the historic center. It lies between Corso Matteotti, from which it is accessible, Piazza Carducci, Via Brogi, and Via Verratti. Built between the second half of 16th century and early of 17th century, it contains private apartments that overlook the cloister. A must-see inside is the former convent refectory, a splendid room fully decorated with the nuns once denied and prayed, at least until 1789, when the monastery was permanently closed and the property was sold to Mr. Piero Verratti. He was an important local figure who purchased the complex after certain religious orders were suppressed by Emperor Joseph XII. The refectory is now known as Sala Verratti, an exhibition place managed by the Civic Museum of Varese. It is renowned for its 18th century frescoes, work by local painter Piero Antonino Magatti and the Baroffi brothers, which depict Sibyls and prophets. In 1986, the city of Varese acquired the space from the Verratti family, who had it owned for generations. Today, Sala Verratti holds temporary exhibition and culture conferences, keeping the connection with Varese's history and art alive. Finally, we can't forget the Broletto, located at Via Verratti 4, where the grain market was once held. It faces the Basilica of San Vittore and features arches, columns, and stone details on its architraves. Its name comes from a word that once referred to a fencing field. Brole means garden, used for gatherings and market in the modern era. Today, it's a quiet but still lively place, a bit hidden away, often overlooked, but definitely worth a visit, especially for the many trendy spots that attract young people from Varese. These courtyards are not just beautiful and atmospheric places to see. They are real pieces of history that tell the most authentic story of Varese. Every time we pass by, we have the chance to rediscover the city with new eyes. So, next time you find yourself in the city center, stop for a moment, step into one of these spaces, and let yourself be surprised, maybe while enjoying a great aperitivo. See you next time!